The most convenient, or maybe the most valuable, is just the process that you start with. So, like the design side of it is pretty key. And with Centrotherm, that's pretty valuable in my mind. Just kind of, a lot of guys will just do rule of thumb, or just use their experience to kind of size, tin, whatever.
Yeah.
Whereas this, it's good to have that engineering behind it, the configurator, and kind of as a fact check. And then also know that, somebody's done the work for you, and you can just kind of start plugging away with the runs you've specified and all that sort of thing.